In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that annoying blank white box issue that you might encounter when you're trying to print in Google Chrome. This little glitch can be a real hassle, especially if you're trying to get something important printed. But don't worry, I've got you covered with a couple of straightforward fixes. Let's start off by tackling the hardware acceleration setting in Chrome. Sometimes this feature, which is designed to improve performance and speed things up, can actually cause problems with how graphics are rendered on your screen, especially when printing. So the first step we'll take is to disable it. Begin by opening Chrome and navigating to the top right corner where you'll see three little dots lined up vertically. Go ahead and click on those to open a drop-down menu and then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left side of the screen and find the System option in the list. Click on that and you'll see an option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Make sure to turn this setting off by clicking the toggle switch. After you've done this, you should see a prompt that says Relaunch. Click that to restart Chrome and let the changes take effect. This step should help rectify any rendering issues during printing. If you're still encountering the blank box issue after disabling hardware acceleration, the next thing to try is clearing Chrome's cache and cookies. Over time, old data stored in your browser can cause all sorts of display problems, including the pesky white box. Let's get started on clearing this old data. With Chrome open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete simultaneously on your keyboard. This will bring up the Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, you need to pay attention to the time range. It's best to set it to all time to ensure everything is cleared. Then, make sure to check the boxes next to cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. These selections are crucial for giving your browser a clean slate. Once you've made these choices, click on Clear Data. Now close down Chrome completely and then reopen it. This process should have eliminated any leftover data that might have been interfering with your print jobs. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement and hopefully no more blank white boxes ruining your printing plans. Remember, technology can be unpredictable, but with the right know-how, problems like these become manageable. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. See you in the next video.